Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you another quick recipe that we can make in our air fryer, and these are called potato smileys. Very easy to make, and we did this in just 10 minutes in air fryer. So let's see the recipe and the ingredients that we are going to use here. So here I'm taking 4 medium sized potatoes and we are going to boil it. We are doing this so that we don't lose the moistness of the potato, and it has to be pasty. So boiling is the best option. Don't use microwave. Next, once it's boiled, peel the skin, and using a masher we're going to mash it, or you can also use a grater to grate it. Both works. Now in an empty bowl we are going to take 5 tablespoons breadcrumbs. Here I am taking Progresso brand breadcrumbs, and it has Italian seasoning already in it. It's optional, you can use normal breads also. We can add oregano later. So this is the brand that I use, Progresso breadcrumbs. Next add 3 tablespoons cornstarch or corn flour. Cornstarch or corn flour, both are same. 3 tablespoons. All the ingredients will be mentioned in the description below, so you can refer to it later. Here I am adding half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder or cayenne pepper. This is optional. I am adding little cumin seed. It's optional. You can skip this if you don't have it. Next add oregano, half teaspoon. Mix it well. Now add the mashed potato to this and knead it. No water is used. The moistness of the potato is good to knead it well. So here you can see. Now add little oil to bind it all together well. Knead it once again. Now add little oil in the slab, and we will put the potato dough here. And using a rolling pin, we're going to flatten it. Cut all the 4 sides. We will reuse the extra batter again. You just see the process, how we are going to cut it into circle. I'm using the bottle cap of this. So this is the thickness that we want to have to make potato smileys. You can see here. That thickness. So we will do the same process for all the leftover potato dough and make circles like this. So it's done. Now again we add little oil. And brush it. We're going to give a shape to this potato dough. Going to make the eye and mouth. So see how? Using a straw, make 2 eyes. Next, use spoon to make the mouth. A smiling face is ready. Isn't it interesting? See? How cute, isn't it? It's done. Brush oil on the air fry basket, the tray. Place all the smileys here. So when we turn on the air fryer, we don't have to flip it. We don't have to open the basket in between. Just set the time and temperature, and within 10 minutes it's done. So keep on watching, friends, so you don't miss any step here. I'm setting the air fryer at 380 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. We will not open the basket, we will not flip it. It will be done perfectly. So once done, we will brush oil or butter. You can add butter also. So here this is the next batch I'm doing, so I'm adding butter before placing it on the basket. So everything is done. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you find it useful, do give a thumbs up, write in the comments below, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you soon with new recipe again. Till then, bye bye, take care.